Hello everyone, today we are doing a walk from the lighthouse to Faro Park, and there's a little lane that goes up there by these domes at this restaurant. I believe it's taking us in the right direction. I'll soon let you know. Just thought I'd catch this amazing display of, well, that's like succulents there, but look at that. Prickly pears. So as you come up that little sort of dusty track, you come up here, go straight up until you meet the main road here, and we have to turn right here and I believe go left where that bus is going. So we've come from over there along to the roundabout and then straight up this road. Bit of a dog leg. And it looks like we are at Faro Park. So I don't know what's here. I think there's a few restaurants and bars and shops, so let's have a little look around. So because we've walked around, basically around part of the mountain, this is the view you get from the other side, from Faro Park. So the first little bit, obviously, have they got a hybridino? Of course they've got a hybridino. Bar, a few bars. Usual stuff really, but some are a little bit different. One thing that is quite apparent is that the pathway here isn't great. There's a few places where there's tiles missing, so just be very careful. So you just carry on walking past the shops, right to the end of that street, and then you come to the seaside walkway. So if you hit the promenade where we did, you can turn left and go towards the lighthouse that way. You can just see the top of the lighthouse peeking over those roofs. Hopefully you can just see that. So that's not far, it's just around the corner in fact. And this way would take you away from the lighthouse. Keep walking that way, and I think on the headland there, that looks like the ghost hotel that's no longer used. I could be wrong, but that is what that looks like to me. I know it's around that area somewhere, and it looks like you could walk there on, you know, your normal made up footpath, which is really good. But yeah, there's not much. Faro Park is obviously where people stay, and probably like the quietness of it. So yeah, Faro Park isn't somewhere that we'd stay, to be honest. That's not to say that it's not nice at all. Some of these places look absolutely amazing here. Absolutely stunning. So that's the end of this little video. I hope you liked it. Give us a like, subscribe, or a comment. Much appreciated. we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.